Just come on to this website, click on this button, then come over here and copy this link, and that is it. Now you will be making thousands of dollars every single month. Hi guys, what is up? How's it going? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get paid $560+ every single day with YouTube without any investment. Guys, this method is completely beginner friendly and you don't need any equipment skill whatsoever to get started. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into step number 1.
Hi, if you're watching this, then you have to know we're doing a brand new giveaway on our channel. We're gonna be giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the MacBook Pro. It is your choice. Just watch the video completely and make sure to like the video, comment the hidden keyword down below, and be sure to subscribe.
Step number 1. So in step number 1, I want you to come on to youtube.com. Now guys, as you all know, YouTube is basically a content sharing platform where there are thousands of creative individuals that are all working together to make top-notch content for absolutely free. But guys, did you know that you can also make money with them? So essentially what you're going to be doing is that you will be promoting their content but for absolutely free, but also making money, and I think that that is a pretty sweet deal. What I want you to do is that simply hover your mouse over the left side, scroll down, click on gaming. Now once you click on gaming, you will be able to see all the games that are trending right now on this particular platform. So we have a Pokemon right now trending, we also have Free Fire, and then we also have a Minecraft. Now guys, I'm gonna choose Minecraft because Minecraft has been in business for so much time that it has such a strong fan base that their fans are willing to do anything for them. You simply click on Minecraft, and after that you simply from over here pick out any video that has the most views and that has gained the most views in the fastest amount of time. So we have this video which has gained 11 million views in 2 days. You click on this particular video and then you simply watch this video from the start till the end to make sure that it is actually legit. But if you don't want to do that, you can simply check the like and dislike ratio, and that is going to tell you if the video is good or not. So I think that this video is pretty good, so I'm gonna like this as well. So from over here, pause the video, click on share, and then from over here copy this link. Now once you've copied this link, you are done with step number 1 as well, and now we can move on to step number 2. Step number 2. So in step number 2, I want you to come on to shrinkme.io. Now guys, shrinkme.io is basically a link shortening service that is going to pay you money for just shortening out different links. Now guys, they are the highest paying URL shortener right now, and you can basically shorten up to $230 per 10,000 views rate. So basically they're gonna pay you $230 for just 1,000 views, and guys, actually getting 1,000 views is literally a piece of cake. So how do you start? You simply create an absolutely free account, and then after that you simply put in the link that you want to shorten, and then your link is shortened in a matter of milliseconds, and then after that you simply start to earn money with your shortened link. Now scrolling down even further, why should you join shrinkme.io? So there are a lot of reasons, but I'm going to be sharing a couple of reasons with you. So firstly is because they offer a 20% referral bonus. Basically what that means is that you will earn 20% of whatever your friends make if you were to refer this website to them. Secondly, they have the highest rates in the industry, meaning that you will be able to make the most money as compared to any other link shortening platform. Thirdly, they also have the lowest minimum payout. Basically what that means is that you are required to earn only $5 before you will be paid. So after that, they basically even have a very nice support team as well. So they have over 68 million total clicks and also 12 million URLs shortened plus 1 million users. So guys, all in all, they seem to be a pretty legit website. Now guys, simply click on the top right corner where it says registered, and then from over here simply fill out this form, or simply sign in with Google instead if you want to. Now once you've done that, I'm gonna catch you guys in step number 3. Step number 3. So in step number 3, you will see this dashboard in front of you. So in this dashboard, you have your total views, you have your total earnings, you have your referral earnings, and also your average CPM. Now guys, all 4 of these things are very important, because without these 4 things, your store isn't gonna function properly. Now over here you can even see some rates coming from different countries, but now what I want you to do is simply click on new shorten link and then simply paste the URL of that YouTube video over here. Come back, click on share, from over here, copy, and then simply pause the video, come back, paste the link over here, click on shorten, and then you simply copy the shortened link that you have in front of you. Now once you are done with that, you can now move on to step number 4. Step number 4. So in step number 4, I want you to come on to google.com. Now guys, once you come on to google.com, I want you to type in Minecraft forum. So after that, like, simply type in Minecraft forum, and then from over here, open up the first forum and open up the second forum as well. And then from over here, join this forum. Now it is absolutely free to join. They don't charge you any money whatsoever. Now once you join this, you simply like send out a text saying that if you want to like watch the best 30 minutes of random item challenge in Minecraft, you simply click on this link, and then after that simply put in your shortened URL that you had from shrinkme.io. Now that is going to get a lot of Minecraft fanboys and fangirls to click on that link, and once they do, you will start making money over here in dollars, and like with every single view, your earnings are gonna increase. But these forums, guys, these forums have hundreds of thousands of members, so you can expect to like make a lot of money. So like guys, be sure to like take full advantage of this particular method and not skip any single step in this video, because only then will you be able to fully understand this whole method and be able to fully make money from this method. So like guys, this was one forum. Now we have another forum as well. So like on this forum, you can like literally do the very same thing that you were doing on the previous forum, but essentially you will now be making even more money on top of the first forum. So like guys, what are you waiting for? Just make sure to like take full advantage of this particular method and not skip any step in this video, because guys, like in times of COVID, when there is just so much going on, like people are literally losing everything that they had, every single thing. So for you to like go out and do these methods, try out these different applications, try out these different websites, is a really groundbreaking, because not only does it allow you to become a savior for your friends and family, because in these difficult times everybody needs a job, but also it helps you to like make a living for yourself and earn some additional money for yourself, so that you guys can also achieve your financial goals, whether that be buying a Lamborghini, whether that be buying your own motorcycle, whether that be helping someone else. It all depends upon you, but my job is to make sure you guys get resources, get ways to monetize your time online, because that is what we want ultimately, and that is our end goal from this channel. So guys, all in all, if you guys face any confusions, you guys know how you guys can reach out to me through the comment section down below, because I respond to all the comments who really want help, and I will guide you till the end, until and unless you guys understand every single thing. So guys, do not hesitate to reach out to me. And guys, one last thing is that make sure to watch out for different scams as well, because some of the applications, some of the websites that I talk about in this video are very curated. So like basically I go through everything myself and I make sure that everything is secure. But if you go out on your own on the internet, well, there might be some people who might try to scam, and I don't like that. So make sure to pay close attention to only the websites that I talk about and only the applications that I show you, not any other websites, because only then will you be able to fully achieve methods and be able to monetize your time properly without getting scammed anywhere. So guys, that is basically what I have to say for now. Now you might face some problems whenever you are trying to log in and log out from this website, because this website has a lot of traffic and usually the servers go down. But make sure to just wait a second, have patience, and if you have patience, everything is gonna work out perfectly. But still, if you guys can't seem to figure it out the proper way, well, then you know how you can contact me. Simply comment down below and I will be sure to reply to your message and to clear out any of your queries. So guys, like, this was the video, and if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.